अस्सलाम वालेकुम, हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। माय चैनल नेम इज़ आगे इन्फो। मेरे चैनल को शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, साथ में देखिए बेल आइकन के बटन को दबाएं ताकि हमारे आने वाले इस वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके। चलिए पढ़ते हैं आज की वीडियो के साथ मैं बताऊँगी हाउ डू कमर्शियल बैंक वर्क एंड व्हाई डू दे मैटर इज कमर्शियल बैंक। द टर्म कमर्शियल बैंक है financial institutions that accept deposit offers, taking account service, makes various loans and other base financial products in the center. The certificates of deposit and CDS and saving account key take commercial bank make money by providing and earning interest from loans such as mortgage, auto loans, business loans and personal loans. Customer deposit provide bank with the capital to the make with loans key take away. Commercial bank offer basic banking service including deposit accounts and loans to consumer and small to mid-sized business. Commercial bank make money from a variety of fees and earning interest income from bank. Commercial bank have additionally been located in physical location but are growing number new corporate exclusively online. Commercial bank are important to the economy with their career capital credit and liquid is market. How commercial bank work? Commercial bank based hand banking service and produce to the general public, both individuals, consumers, and small to mid-sized business. This service includes checking and saving accounts, loans, and mortgages. Because investment service such as CDs and other services such as safe deposit boxes. Bank make money from service charges and fees. These fees are very based on the produce, ranging from account fee, monthly management of charge, minimum balance fees, overdraft fees on non-sufficient funds, NSP charges, safe deposit boxes, and late fees. Many loan products also contain fees in addition to interest charges. Bank to earn money from interest they earn by lending out money to the clients. The fund they lend comes from customer deposit. However, the interest rate paid by bank on the money they borrower is less than the rate charged on the money they tried. For example, a bank may offer saving accounts to customers on an annual interest rate of 2.25% while charging mortgage clients 4.75% and interest annually. The commercial bank have traditionally been located in the buildings where customers come to use seller Windows service and automated teller machines, ATMs to do their routine banking. With this rise in internet technology, most banks now allow their customers to do most of the sales service online that they could not be person, including transfer, deposit, and bill payment. Significance of commercial banks. Commercial banks are an important part of the economy. They do not provide consumers with essential service, but also help create capital and liquidity in the market. Commercial bank ensures liquidity by taking the funds that the customers deposit in the account and lending them out. The offers commercials play a role in creation of credit, which leads to an increased reproduction, employment, and consumer spending. Thrifty borrowing from economy are such commercial bank are heavily regulated by central bank is then country origins. For instance, central bank immerse reserves requirements and commercial bank. This means that banks are required to hold a certain percentage of their consumer debt on the central bank has a collections of their push with the draft funds by the general public, especially considering customer and commercial bank investors such as saving accounts and CDs attractive because they are insured by the Federal Deposit Insurance and money can be easily withdrawn. Consumers have the options and withdraw money upon demand on the balance and fully insured up to 25,000. Therefore, banks do not have to pay much more for this money. Many banks pay no interest at least pay very little, no checking account balance, and offer interest rates for savings accounts that are well below US Treasury bond, T-bond rates, consumers lending makes up the bulk of North American bank lending, and this is next mortgage make up by far the largest share. Mortgage and used of by properties and home themselves are often the security and that characterize the loan. Mortgage are typically written by 30 years repayment. हम चैनल को शेयर कर सब्सक्राइब करें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।